All right, go ahead and take a break. I'm going to steal this. All right, you just relax. So the tightness is the swelling. But the swelling isn't excessive. I mean, it's normal. You just had a knee replacement. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to give you some gentle pressure, just kind of squeeze some of that fluid out. Sleep's the priority. Yeah, and truthfully, ice it as much as you want.
Okay.
If the ice feels good, use it.
Yeah.
If you choose not to ice it, you're not harming anything. You're not slowing down the healing. The ice is just for the sensation of cold.
Okay.
Ice does not actually reduce swelling.
Okay.
It makes it cold, and sometimes the weight of the ice pack will push the fluid out of there.
Okay.
But if we want to manage the swelling, the compression wrap or elevating are going to be the two main things to get the swelling out of there.
Okay.
But if you're on your feet, going to the bathroom, you're up every couple hours, it's fine.
I'm walking just about every other hour.
That's perfect. So I'm just going to lift the thigh a little bit. You just let the leg kind of hang. I'm going to give it a little shake. What does that feel like?
That feels good.
Okay. Usually, today's 24 hours. Like the third day is usually the worst day. You still have some of the medication in there from the surgery, and it's, us though, we're pretty gentle. Okay, so what we're going to do, just to relax, I'm just going to lift it up. And so at that position, what does that feel like?
It feels good.
Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch. I'm going to put this underneath and then just let it rest there.
Okay. And that's what I've been doing.
Yeah.
Recliner.
Perfect. Perfect.
I've been moving my feet.
Yep. So right now, we're sitting at about 13 degrees, which is fine. Flexion was about 85 degrees, fine. When you're working on range of motion, we want to prop it. Ideally, we want to have something at the heel, but this is very aggressive. So I wouldn't worry about doing this right now. This is a compromise. Nothing's behind the knee, but we've got like lower half of the calf. If I come in here, it's usually a little more comfortable, but not as effective for straightening. So you want to find that position where it's like, all right, I can feel it pulling. It's a little uncomfortable, but not miserable. I could spend a few minutes in this position. Let's use this little roller. You can use either hand and just kind of massage the inside, the top side, anywhere you can reach like that.